Get ready for some chess magic. Like and subscribe to stay connected. This is a book move. The opening is called Queen to Pawn game.
Pawn to d5.
Pawn to c4 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Slav Defense.
This is a book move. The opening is called Slav Defense.
Knight to f6 is best. This develops a knight.
Pawn captures on d5.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop to f4 is best. This develops a bishop.
Queen to b6 is excellent. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo. Knight to c6 is best. This develops a knight.
Knight to f3 is the best move.
Bishop to d7 is the best move.
Bishop to d3 is the best move.
Bishop to g4 is excellent. This attacks the queen. This develops a bishop. This move gains a tempo. Pawn to a6 is best.
Pawn to f3 is good. This attacks the bishop. Knight from file g to e2 is best. This offers a trade. This develops a knight.
Bishop to d7 is best.
Knight from file g to e2 is the best move.
Pawn to e6 is best.
Pawn to g4 is the best move.
Bishop to e7 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Knight to b4 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Pawn to h4 is excellent. Pawn to f3 is best.
Rook to c8 is the best move.
Pawn to a3 is excellent. Pawn to h5 is best.
Knight to a5 is good. Pawn to h5 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to b4.
Knight to c4 is best. This offers a trade.
Bishop captures on c4 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on c4 is the best move.
Pawn to e4 is the best move.
Knight to e8 is excellent. Queen to d8 is best. This defends a bishop on s7.
Pawn to h5 is best.
Knight to c7 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to h6 is good. This offers a trade. Queen to d2 is best.
Pawn to g5 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to e3 is the best move.
Pawn to a5 is best. This offers a trade.
King to f2 is the best move.
Pawn captures on b4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Pawn captures on b4 is the best move.
Rook captures on a1.
Queen captures on a1 is the best move.
Queen captures on b4 is the best move.
Pawn to d5 is the best move.
Queen captures on b4 is best. This defends a pawn and bishop on c4 and s7.
Rook to b1.
Queen to d6 is best. This defends a knight and bishop on c7 and d7.
Pawn to e5 is excellent. This offers a trade. Rook captures on b7 is best. This captures a free pawn.
Queen captures on e5.
Pawn to f4.
Queen to d6.
Rook to b6 is the best move.
Queen to a3 is good. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen. Pawn captures on f4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the bishop.
Queen captures on a3 is the best move.
Bishop captures on a3.
Rook captures on b7 is best. This attacks the knight. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Bishop to d6 is best. This defends a knight on c7.
Knight to e4 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to c8.
Rook to a7 is best. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
Pawn captures on f4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on e6 is the best move.
Bishop captures on e6 is the best move.
Pawn to f5 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to d5 is the best move.
Knight captures on d6 is the best move.
Bishop captures on e4 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on e4 is the best move.
Bishop to e5 is the best move.
Rook to d7 is the best move.
Bishop to c7 is best.
Bishop to c5 is the best move.
Rook to f7 is the best move.
Bishop to e7 is an accuracy. The opponent can play d5. Rook to d5 is best.
Bishop to a5 is excellent. Bishop to e5 is best.
King to e2 is the best move.
Bishop to b4 is best. This offers a trade.
Knight captures on f6 check is best. This defends a pawn and rook on g4 and d7. This creates a fork on knight and king.
Rook captures on f6 is the best move.
Bishop captures on b4 is best. This captures a free bishop.
Rook captures on h6 is the best move.
Rook to d8 is the best move. The game is over. It ended in a draw.